In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank details in the Deliveroo Rider app, step by step. Whether you're switching accounts or need to update your information, this guide will ensure you do it easily and accurately. First, let's begin by opening the Deliveroo Rider app on your mobile device. It's essential that you're using the Rider app specifically, as this is where you can manage your personal and payment settings. Once you have the app open, the next step is to log into your account. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any access issues. If you happen to forget your password, follow the prompts in the app to reset it so you can proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the account section of the app. You can typically find this option on the main menu or by navigating through the profile icon. This section is where all your personal information is linked and stored. Inside the account section, you will need to select the Account Details option. This area is specifically designed for you to view and modify various information associated with your Rider account, ensuring that all your details are up to date. Now, what you're specifically looking for is the Bank Details section. Once you find it, you will notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the fields where your current bank details are recorded. At this point, input your new bank details meticulously. Double check things like your account number and sort code to make sure that everything is correct, as any errors here can lead to disruptions in receiving your earnings. It's a good idea to have your bank documents on hand to cross-verify your details as you enter them. After you've entered your new bank information, the final step is crucial. You need to click Save Changes. This act confirms your new bank details and ensures that all future deposits go to the correct account. Without saving, your changes won't be applied, so don't miss this step. And there you have it, a simple way to change your bank details in the Deliveroo Rider app. Remember, accuracy is key to preventing any payment issues. If you encounter any problems, reach out to Deliveroo support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes the process straightforward and hassle-free for you. Keep delivering safely, and until next time, take care.